Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, I will be introducing you to our bikini bottom pattern, 𝗬𝗁. 𝗬𝗁 is a pattern, a very special pattern. It's an asymmetric pattern which has a hole on the front. You can sew it on the low version or on the high version, high waist version. So I have included two options for you, two pattern pieces which are different for the front and for the back, of course, with a hole on the front and then low waist and high waist. The back has a center back seam, a curved center back seam, which enables the bikini bottom to fit much better on your bottom. We also prepared two videos to sew alongs, one with the lower waist and one with the higher waist, and you can find all the links to all videos that we have available for this pattern under the pattern description on our store. That's it. That's all the times. That's always the same. And I think that's it for today, girls. See you soon. Bye!